Number 3, always have the audacity of embracing abnormality. Always the audacity of embracing abnormality. You know, when you want, then there's so much pressure on you of every sort. You have to do things which are out of box. And you have to go against the norms, because norms are going to let you do what you do. And what you do doesn't work in these circumstances. So a lot of times, and I would just relate to you, I'll come back to my own story a little later, because when I was born, in the labor room, they told my khala who was there that she's abnormal. Later it turned out it was not that bad, but I think I was listening to it, so I decided that I'm going to be abnormal. And everything in my life that I've done has not been living by the norms stuff. But we all have kids. So my daughter, she went to study and she did her strategy and marketing from Warwick, and she came back. And she went into the corporate world. And you know how millennials are, how our kids are. So then she came back, she said, corporate world is not for me. So I said, what is it for you? And then, those lectures started by her father, by everybody. Look, your degree, we've spent so much money, this, that, let me know. So one day I just sat with her and I said, okay, what is that you want to do, you love to do, and you never get tired of it? And she said, watching cricket. So the whole family was aghast, because girls can't talk cricket. That's not the norm. They are made fun of. They are just cheerleaders in cricket. They are just this in cricket. It's a technical game. It's a man's world. It's a boy's profession. So I asked her, I said, look, so if you're interested, then, start reading on it. She reads on it. I said, start writing a blog or something, let's start from there. 7 years ago, there was this World Cup starting somewhere, I think in Australia or somewhere. And there was an ad in the newspapers asking for analysts. So I asked her, I said, why don't you apply? And she was saying, as an analyst, no way. So I said, let's try. She went over there. She came back, she was crying, and she said that, I will never get it. I said, why? She said, though the men were sitting over there, and when I went there for the interview, they looked at me like this, and they said, it's a job for a cricket analyst. Do you know that? And she said, I said, yes, I know that. And then the other guy who was sitting, he had a smirk on his face, and he said, Acha, reverse swing kya hoti hai? So I said, fine, then what did you reply? She told me. I said, that's a perfectly good reply. Why shouldn't you get it? And lo and behold, she did. She got the job as a cricket analyst. And of course, there's a long story of what happened and how difficult it was for her to make a name for herself. And she was considered abnormal because girls don't talk cricket. Girls can't make out left from right in cricket. They can talk cricket in the general sense, but they can't talk cricket in the deeper sense. But yesterday when I saw her sitting as an analyst in Cardiff with Nasir Hussain, and the English commentators, that was a moment for pride, that now the abnormal is normal.